This is going to be a quick room tour of a balcony room on Utopia of the Seas. Specifically, this room 654 on deck 14. And so here we go. As you come in, you have a full-length mirror, so you can check out your fit. You have a desk, and one of the big things I look for are the USB ports and outlets. So you have, looks like 3 110, and you have a USB and then a USB-C. You got the mirror with the chair. You got a little desk here with drawers. This does have a hair dryer. Has a little fridge. And you got drawers. You have a couch that I'm pretty sure would fold out into another bed. You have a closet one side of the couch, and you have a closet on the other side of the couch with the safe. A couple more drawers. You have a desk with a little light. It has a 110 and another USB outlet if you want to charge your phone or your Apple Watch or whatever you need. And it has the typical twin bed, or the typical king size bed that you can probably split apart and have two separate beds. Has a TV on the wall. It's reminding me to go do my safety brief, but I'm good. The other side has the phone, another lamp with a USB-C and a 110, and some more shelves. And then we got the outdoor, the balcony. There's two chairs, a table. We're still on port, so that's why the view is very good. Then going back, we have the bathroom. We have the shower with the glass door. Oh, man. Gotta be in to open it. And in case you're wondering, they have the double duty hair and body wash. Then they have some more shelves up here for your toiletries, and then the sink. And that's the bathroom. So this room has one of the, you need something in the little key card or little holder. They want you to put your sign and sail pass card in there because they don't want the lights and everything to be left on, to save energy. So the theory is you come in here, you come in the room, and then you put your sign and sail pass, and then everything turns on, the AC turns on and all that stuff. So I'm assuming you could put anything in there like a credit card. I'll usually put like a credit card or something in there on other ships that have this, but just something to let you know about. With doing the room tours and all that, I always look to see how many ports are available and how many 110 outlets because I vlog, I have a camera, I have my video camera, I have my phone, I have my watch, I have all sorts of stuff I need to charge. So I know Royal Caribbean banned plug extenders. However, I have this charging block from Anchor, and I'll put the link down below. And not every ship is as new as the Utopia or the Carnival Celebration, and so they don't always have all the USB ports that you need. So I bought this from Amazon. It was like $30. I'll put the link down below once again. But it has 3 USB-C and 3 just regular USB ports. So the 30 watt, I can actually charge my MacBook on it, and so that's what I bring it for. And it's so much more convenient just having one block where I can plug everything in. And I'll put the link down below, like I said. And then also, I always worry about getting motion sickness, so I'll bring an EMI term, which is kind of like a C-band, and like a high-tech C-band. And so basically it fits right here, like where the normal C-band goes, but it sends like a electrical pulse, like a TENS unit. so it sends electrical pulses, and it's supposed to help you with nausea. So if the ship's rocky, I'll usually end up putting this on. I'll leave the link of this down below too. There's lots of different variations. There's a couple of EMI terms. There's also some other like high-tech ones that are more expensive. But I always bring it just in case. And if you don't get the drink package, I recommend bringing a water bottle, because you can fill this up at the chow hall. You can fill this up. You don't got to pay $3 for a bottle of water, and then, you know, when this runs out, I just go fill it up again, and it saves me money. Unless you're on the drink package. If you bought the drink package, then, you know, you get free waters anyway. But a couple other items that are like my must-haves is I have this little portable fan. It's USB charged. You can see the C or the regular USB. Charges it, and it's not huge. It's basically a computer fan, but it does provide a little bit of white noise at night. That's like $10. I'll put the link down below. And then I have these little magnetic hooks too that I use. So I like to put these, like most of the walls are magnetic, so I'll just stick them, and then I'll just stick them on the wall. Usually I have like 2 or 3, and then I can hang like a hat there. It clears up some of the shelf. I can put my little lanyards that I use. So like my little bag, I can hang them up, and then they're right there on the way out as I go. So those are my other 2 must-haves, and I'll put all the links for those down below. So those are kind of my recommendations I bring, and I just want to pass that along. And that pretty much concludes this tour. It's a nice room, but if you watch this, if you made it this far, I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because I always do ship tours and day-by-day vlogs and room tours. So if maybe I'm going on a cruise you've been on, or maybe you're going on a cruise I've been on, and you can check out and see what the day-by-day is like, what the ship's like, what the rooms are like. So I appreciate you guys, and until next time, have a great day. Bye.